Hi and welcome. Today we are going to show you how to create a new product offering in the Unified Product Catalog. Let's open the Offerings section. The application shows the last offerings we worked on. We will create an offering for IPTV. IPTV product already exists in the catalog. Click Create a new offering based on an existing product. Set category, code, and name of the new offering. A new IPTV product offering is now created. Initially, the status is set to in development. The IPTV product defines attributes. On the offering level, we can set the attribute value. In our case, we will set the channel scheme to Mini HD. Now let's add some prices. The Unified Catalog supports various price types, charges, discounts, and allowances. In our case, we are going to add a recurring charge, a monthly subscription to IPTV. The price is defined per month. We select monthly billing cycle and set the price as prorated. Finally, let's add currency, tax rate and the actual amount. In the same way, we created offerings for other channel schemes: Basic, Plus, and 4K. To launch the new Mini HD offering, we set its status to in production. The offering is now ready for selling. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.